Dear student, welcome back to Dr. Shrikant Pharmacy channel. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest pharmacy video. So today I came with the topic that is the pastes. Okay, it is another one type of a dosage form which comes under the topical dosage form, and also it is used for the external use only, and it also comes under the semi-solid dosage form. In this class we are planned for the what are the pastes are there, what are its property and what are its formulation, and also we are enlightening the what are the method of preparation and its application in the pharmacy field. So first of all, pastes are concentrated. Pastes are the concentrated, विस्कस, नॉन ग्रीजी, फ्लफी, सेमी सॉलिड डोसेज फॉर्म. ये जो पेस्ट रहता है ना, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड और बहुत ही विस्कस रहता है और नॉन ग्रीसी रहता है. जैसे आइंटमेंट बहुत ग्रीसी रहता है, ये नॉन ग्रीसी रहता है, फ्लफी एंड सेमी सॉलिड डोसेज फॉर्म. जैसे हर तरह the dosage form will contain the one or more active medicament, like the paste also contain the one or more active medicaments are incorporated into the suitable bases. So these pastes are available as a medicated as well as the non-medicated paste also. As you know, the most common example, the dental pastes are available, toothpaste are available. Some are the normal usage of it, some are the medicated, like the Sensoform are there, Sensodent are there, Thermodent are there. They are called as the medicated paste. Whereas like you know the Close-Up, Colgate, these are the examples which comes under the non-medicated paste. And these pastes mainly applied or external application as a protective as well as a covering action, or maybe it is used as an antiseptic एक्शन. ये जो मेजर इम्पोर्टेंट एप्लीकेशन रहता है इन फार्मास्यूटिकल में, अगर मेडिकेटेड रहे तो जैसे सेंसिटिव टू टीथ्स रहता है ना, गम्स पेन्स रहता है ना, वो टाइम पे यूज़ करने का अलग तरीका का पेस्ट जो रहता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं द मेडिकेटेड टूथपेस्ट एंड प्रोटेक्टिवली एज एन प्रोटेक्टिव और कवरिंग एक्शन और एंटीसेप्टिक एक्शन. ओके, नेक्स्ट कम्स टू व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द पेस्ट आर देयर. Okay, so like the other type of the semi-solid dosage form, here also some are the most important property has to be considered. These pastes usually contain the 50 to 60% of insoluble solids, and which are mainly porous in nature. Okay, and they are stiffer than ointment and more absorptive property because of the higher proportion of the solids. जो जैसे ही the solid proportion ज़्यादा हो जाता है, बहुत ही stiff हो जाता है और more absorptive जो solid select करे रहता है insoluble solid materials. And these paste containing the solid ingredient which absorbs the more secretions and less penetrating and also less melting comparing with the creams and gels. So even in a room temperature, if you keep these things, these paste will not be melt, whereas in ointment or creams or gels, upon the room temperature only it will be melt. Hence we have to be given as a storage condition, store in a cool and dry place. So that caution is not necessary for the paste because of the majority of the content are contain the solid which are not melting on the normal temperatures. And these pastes are medicated paste and as well as the non-medicated paste comes for the used most commonly in the dental part and applied with the spatula, knife or the brush. These pastes are applied with the help of a knife or a spatula or a brush. And coming to the next part, what are the formulation contains the paste. Majorly the like active medicaments along with the base are major important. In this case, the base commonly used for the paste are the hydrocarbon bases, example soft paraffin, lanolin, and water miscible bases, emulsifying wax, emulsifying ointment, emulsifying bases are used. Water soluble macrogols, PEG and sodium carboxymethyl cellulose are commonly used. Coming to the next topic, that is the method of preparation. How the pastes are commonly prepared. Majorly there are three methods are there which are in small scale as well as the large scale. That is a fusion method. So in fusion method, that is based on the heating process. So thereby these preparations are used. For example, the 45 to 75 degree is maintained for the preparation for the fusion, that is by melting, and these ingredients are joining each other and forms the paste. And second method is the spatulation. In a smaller scale you can adapt the by using a spatula. In a laboratory scale you can prepare the normal paste. And the third method is a glycerogelatin method. It is another one method which can be used for the preparation of the paste. Here also little melting of the glycerin, and glycerin is melted, and to this added by the gelatin, and these gelatin are dissolved in the glycerin. When it is liquefied, again it make into solidify by keeping in the room temperature. And the most important application of the paste are as a protective covering action as well as the antiseptic. मैं समझता हूँ एक क्लास से आपको बहुत ही सरल से पेस्ट मतलब क्या हो जाता है, किस तरह से हम लोग यूज़ करना, क्या प्रॉपर्टीज़ है उसका, जो फॉर्मुलेशन में क्या क्या ingredients or bases are important, and method of preparation and pharmaceutical application. Thank you very much for watching this video.